Well, as you can tell, it's not daylight yet, and you may be able to hear the sounds of something in the background. I don't know, but stay tuned for a little bit of topwater action. We're going to try to get on them. Hey, welcome back to Country Kids Outdoors. I know the lighting ain't the best, but we're going to try to get out here to the beach. We're down in Florida. I'm going to try to do some surf fishing on top of the water. I've never done before, so stay tuned and let's see what we can do. Well, here's my old saltwater fishing. Some topwater spooks right here. Got the bigger ones. If y'all will notice, these are the actual saltwater ones because they're galvanized. This old stuff, I've had this for years. This is what I use when I'm fishing on the bottom, but I need a pair of pliers out here. I forgot to bring any. Get them hooks out with. We may do a little bottom fishing later, I just don't know. So never can leave home without WD-40. Gotta have it. Keep everything loosey-goosey. There's the Ozark Trail backpack. Got all kinds of topwater stuff in here. Yeah, we may not catch nothing today, but we're gonna give her a shot, huh? Beach. I've never done surf fishing with on top of the water, but I've seen some videos on it, so I figured we'd just give her a try. Country Kids Outdoors. Got some other stuff in here, some spoons and stuff we can try as well. Check out this. Got a little spot from taking my tripod. Awesome, awesome, awesome. It's awesome. Well, y'all, this is the first. I've never done this before. Let's see if we can catch a trout or something like that. I'm actually trying something new. I seen the guy use on top of the water out here to catch some, so on a video, so I just thought I'd try it. Oh yeah, I'll cut it out, it's fine. No. Shrimp, if you'll get some shrimp and get some...
There were 3 guys, and they all had a spoon.
Yep, I got some in my bag, spoons too. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I just thought about doing, was getting the spoons, because I thought I read it right that it was supposed to get a little bit lower. The tide was this morning around 6:30ish or whatever, but I don't know, it's pretty bad today.
I didn't know you were busy.
No, you're fine. It ain't no problem at all. Oh, it's everybody's doing it, so you know, it's just the way it is.
You
Yeah, I don't do the live stuff. That's, thank you. Yeah, thanks. That lady just said that they was catching fish on them, so this could be interesting. Well, we tried the beach thing this morning. I didn't quite like what we had going on there, so we're going to go up here and fish some of the inlets. So let's get it on. Well, I guess I ran that guy off. I don't know. Let's check it out. You gotta be careful on these rocks. Let's walk up here to this side. One thing, these rocks are something else. about fell. Oh. Well, y'all, we're gonna try the old whopper plopper and see what happens. Oh, these rocks are something else. A bird's nest. Did you have any luck? Yeah, that's what everybody's saying.
I'm kind of new to this whole thing. I just moved here. Are you using shrimp or lures?
Nah, just lures. I've been watching some videos. There's a guy here who lives local. It's got a YouTube channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he catches on with the surf and everything on top of the water and stuff. So
yeah, I'm just learning. I usually head over to the pier over there like 6, and then I come over here about 8.
Yeah.
I've just been playing around trying to figure things out.
I know, that's all I'm doing too. So
good luck, man.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too.
Let's try a spoon again, y'all. I just need to try to reel it faster. What if we try something like this right here? Let's try this. Let's swim this baby. I forget what these are called. This might be crazy enough to work, really. Ooh, some kind of mussel or something on there. This is a headbanger, y'all. Headbanger. I don't remember what the actual. There it says. Headbanger. I don't know if that. Suzer? I don't know. Oh my word, look at that, y'all. Oh, shark right there. Boy, I'd like to catch one. I messed that cast up. Well, y'all, first initial warning of, bank fishing in the ocean. Sorry about the noise over there. Cars going by, but not successful. Had one blow up that you seen there. So I think it's time now to get a little bit of breakfast. I'm a little bit hungry, so stay tuned. We'll see if we can get some more.